Good morning students. Let us revise the previous class point. Last class we have discussed about the topic monohybrid experiment and dihybrid experiment. In today's class we are going to discuss about the new topic intragenic interaction. So what is the meaning of intragenic interaction? Interaction take place between the gene, between the gene allele of the same gene or allele at the same locus is called intragenic interaction. So what is the meaning of intragenic interaction? Interaction take place Interaction take place between the first interaction take place between the gene of same allele or same locus. Okay, so what is the interaction take place between the allele of same gene of the same allele or at the same locus is called intragenic interaction. Okay, it's called intragenic interaction. Okay, so what is the meaning of intragenic interaction? Intragenic அப்படினாலே ரெண்டு ஜீன் என்ன செய்யுது intra ஆகுது. What is the meaning of interaction? Already you know the what is the meaning of interaction. So interaction take place between the gene of same allele and same locus. எங்க இருக்கும் அப்படினா where same allele. What is allele? A pair of gene controlling the same character and located in the same homologous chromosome is called allele. Okay, so what is the meaning of same locus? Means same place. Okay, it's called intragenic interaction. Okay, so what is the example of intragenic interaction? Means the first one incomplete dominance. Second one codominance. Okay, codominance. Third one multiple allele. So fourth one pleiotrophic genes. These are the best example of intragenic interaction. So what is the meaning of intragenic interaction? Interaction take place between the allele of same locus, between the gene of the same allele or same locus is called intragenic interaction. So what are the example of intragenic interaction? First one incomplete dominance, next codominance, next multiple alleles, next pleiotrophic genes. Okay, next let us see one by one. First we see the incomplete dominance. First we see the topic incomplete dominance. It is a no blending of genes. So what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? So incomplete dominance means the first the German scientist Karl Correns, he do one experiment. The scientist named Karl Correns. He do one experiment. It is a German scientist. There is a scientist name. Okay. He do one experiment. What is the experiment means? First, what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? Incomplete dominance is a allelic interaction. Enga interaction only in allele. It is a allelic interaction. First point, it is a allelic interaction. First point, it is a allelic interaction. Okay, next one, both allele of a character then express their character in the F1 generation. Okay, both allele of a character, both allele of a character express the character. Both allele of a character express their character in the F1 generation. In the F1 generation. Okay, so both allele of a character express their character in the which generation? F1 generation. Okay, F1 it is the F1 individual as intermediate color is formed. So the F1 generation. So the F1 generation, intermediate color is formed. Intermediate color is formed. intermediate color is formed. Okay, so what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? Is no blending of genes. So here's the scientist name Carl Cox. He do an experiment. The first, what is the definition of incomplete dominance? It is a allelic. Incomplete dominance is allelic interaction. Interaction, where does it take place? In between the alleles. That is called allelic interaction. Okay, so next one, both allele of a character express the character in the F1 generation. Okay, so the F1 generation is intermediate color is produced. For example, the first one. So what is the intermediate color? The plant example, Miraphilus jalapa. The plant or a name Miraphilus jalapa. It is otherwise called as a 4 o'clock plant. It is a 4 mani chedi abdin solvaanga. It is a Miraphilus jalapa. Plant name Miraphilus jalapa. It is a 4 o'clock plant. It is a 4 o'clock plant. Okay, it is a 4 o'clock plant. Plant or a name Miraphilus jalapa. Okay, this plant is a pure breeding. What is the meaning of pure breeding? Already you know what is a pure breeding. Okay, when the pure breeding heterozygous plant, homozygous plant, first one, when the pure breeding, it is a pure breeding heterozygous. It is a pure breeding homozygous. Sorry students. It is a homozygous. When the pure breeding homozygous red flower crossed with homozygous white flower. Okay, homozygous white flower. It is also a pure breeding. Okay, white color flower. Okay, so what is the red color for allele gene R1. Okay, so another one white color for gene type R2. Okay, so first take a plant or a name Miraphilus jalapa. This is a 4 o'clock plant. Okay, when the pure breeding, Miraphilus jalapa plant is a pure breeding homozygous red flower crossed with the flower or a gene type R1. Okay, crossed with the homozygous white color flower. Which color? Red color flower crossed with the white color. Both of them are homozygous in condition. Okay, the color of the gene R2. Okay, the phenotype of the F1 individual is R1. It is a pink color. The phenotype of the individual. Next one. So what is the meaning of phenotype? Already you know what is phenotype, what is genotype. Okay, the phenotype of F1 individual. The phenotype of F1 individual is intermediate color. Is a heterozygous. So what is the meaning of heterozygous? Heterozygous means it is a pink color. Heterozygous means it is a pink color. The gene arranging it R1, R2. Okay, the R1, R2. The first one normally the Miraphilus jalapa plant is both of them homozygous, but F1 hybrid is heterozygous. For example, this is R1. This is here. First one parents R1. Okay, crossed with R2. Okay, R1. For next one, gamete. We can take only one gamete because both are same. So we can take only one gamete. R1, R2. Okay, the cross with R1, R2. So the F1 generation R1, R2 produced. Okay, R1 is a which color plant? R1 is a red color flower crossed with the R2 which color? White color. Okay, so R1 is a red color, R2 is a white color flower So crossed with R1, R2, we get R1, R2. R1, R2 is a heterozygous pink color. It is a heterozygous. It is a heterozygous which color? Pink color. So it is a intermediate color is produced. What is the meaning of? It is a intermediate color. So what is the meaning of intermediate color? What is the meaning of intermediate color? Means ரெண்டுக்கு இடைப்பட்ட நிறம். For example, this is a red color flower. This is a white color crossed with a homozygous color. Okay. R1 is a homozygous. R2 is another homozygous. But color only different. What is the color? It is a red color. This is a white color plant. Okay. Crossed with the R1 and R2. Here we can get the intermediate heterozygous. What is the meaning of intermediate color? Red and white cross பண்றப்ப which color we get the pink color. Pink color is a heterozygous. What is the meaning of hetero? It is a different color. It is a different color produced in F1 generation. Okay, next one, the F1 heterozygous phenotype is totally different from the parental homozygous phenotype. Okay, the F1 phenotype, the F1 heterozygous phenotype, next one, the F1 heterozygous phenotype is totally different from the parent. What is the meaning of parent? Parent is homozygous in condition. Okay, but the F1 generation is a heterozygous in condition. What is the meaning of heterozygous? Different R1, R2 is present. So it is called as heterozygous. Okay, the first point, the F1 heterozygous phenotype is totally different from the parent homozygous phenotype. Next one, this cross did not exhibit the character of parental. It does not exhibit the character of dominant parent. This cross did not exhibit the parent phenotype. Okay, it does not exhibit the dominant parent. It does not exhibit the dominant parent. It does not exhibit the dominant parent. So it is called incomplete dominance. Okay. What is the meaning, student? This cross. What is the meaning of this cross? Means the intragenic interaction is here. First one example, incomplete codominance. Okay, incomplete dominance cross did not exhibit the dominant parent. எதை வந்து அது exhibit பண்ணல, dominant parent exhibit பண்ணல. So parent produce a intermediate color. Dominant color வராம, but we get only what is the color? Intermediate color, pink color only produced. We not get dominant color. What is the dominant color? Means sometimes red and white are the dominant color, but we get only the intermediate color. So this cross did not exhibit the character of dominant parent. Parent oda character idu pannala. Okay, next, when one allele is completely dominant to another allele. Okay, next one, when one allele is completely dominant. In one allele is completely, when one allele is completely dominant. Okay, what is the complete say? Okay, it is only is not completely dominant to another allele. Okay, so it is called incomplete, and so is known as the incomplete dominance. Okay, so it is known as the incomplete dominance. Okay, so what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? எப்படி சொல்றாங்க? When one allele is not completely dominant, ஒரு allele கூட is not completely dominant, both allele express the, it's not express the parent character, because we get only the intermediate color, heterozygous. So it is not completely dominant to another allele. Example, this is it shows the incomplete dominance அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So next one even F1 hybrid is next. The F1 hybrid, what is the F1 hybrid? R1 R2 is a F1 hybrid. Okay, the F1 hybrid crossed with F2 plants are produced. What is the meaning of F1 hybrid? For example, this is a F1 hybrid. This is a F1 hybrid. R1, R2. He used a checkerboard. Now we use a checkerboard. R1, R2. R1, R2. R1, R2. Okay. First F1 generation. F1 generation R1, R2. Okay. He used next F2 generation. R1, 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 R1. Okay. So next R1, R2. R1, R2. Okay. So next one R2, R1. First we can take first. Okay. R1, R2. So next R2, R2. R2, R2. Totally 4 gamete are produced. What is the 4 gamete? The first one, another one, and second I repeat. First R1, 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 R1. What is the meaning of R1, R1? R1, R1 is which color? This here. R1, R1 is which color? Red color. Okay. So next R1, R2. R1, R2. What is R1, R2 color? It is a heterozygous. It is pink color. Okay. So next one R2, R1. R1, R2 which color? R1, R2 na? It is a pink color. It is a pink color. So next R2, 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 R2 is which color? Which color? White color flower produced. Totally 4 color flowers are produced. The first one R1, R1 is a red color flower. R1, R2 are pink color flower. Next R1, R2 are pink color flower. Next R2, R2 is a white color flower. Totally the ratio 1:2:1. 1:2:1. So what is the meaning of 1? Which one is the 1? 1 first example is the red color. 1:2:1. First one phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. So what is the meaning of phenotypic ratio? First indicate the R1. Phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. 1 is the red color. Next the 2 ratio is the pink color. Next one is the white color. This is a phenotypic ratio. Next both the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. So what is the genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio. So genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. How we get the 1:2:1 is the genotypic ratio means the first one red color is the homozygous flower. Okay, first one is the homozygous. Homozygous means capital R, capital R1, capital R1. Okay, so next one it is a genotype ratio. What is the meaning of 2 means R1, R2, R1, R2 are the heterozygous. Up next which one? R1, R2, R1, R2. This is homozygous. This is heterozygous. Okay, so next one. What is the meaning of 1? Indicate the white color. R2, R2. Okay. Have you understood the cross checkerboard? So first F1 plant. What is the F1 plant? R1, R2. Okay, R1, R2 as the plant. F1 plant are crossed. We get F2 plants are produced. F2 plants both phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. The phenotype ratio. Phenotype and genotype. What is the meaning of phenotype? Phenotype is visible character. Genotype is invisible character present in between inside the body, that is called genotype. So both the phenotype ratio and genotype ratio are same. So what is the ratio? 1:2:1. The mental ratio. What is the ratio? 1:2:1. So first phenotypic ratio 1:2 means 1 is red color, 2 is indicator pink color, another one is white color. Next genotypic ratio. What is the genotypic ratio means? Genotype ratio first capital R1, R1. R1 indicate which color? Red color. This is a homozygous. Okay, pure breeding homozygous. Next one R1 R2. R1 R2 is a intermediate color. It is a pink color. It is a heterozygous. Okay, so next one, what is R2 R2? R2 R2 is a homozygous. It is a homozygous pure breeding. It is a parent color. It is a which color? White color. Okay, have you understood the checkerboard? What is the F1 generation and F2 generation? Okay, it is due to the allelic interaction. It is due to the allelic interaction. It is due to the allelic interaction. Allele only interaction agudhu. So it is called, it is allelic interaction. Okay, it is allelic interaction. It is allelic interaction. It is a allelic interaction. So next one, because the pink color is produced by the interaction of two alleles. So what is the meaning of allelic interaction? Means the pink color is produced. The pink color is produced interaction of two allele. Interaction of two allele. Okay, so interaction of two alleles located in the same locus. Which one is important? This is important. Where is located? Two alleles located in same locus. Located in same locus. It is called allelic interaction. So what is, there is no blending of genes. So what is the meaning of allelic interaction? It is allelic interaction. Which one is allelic interaction? The F1 F2 is the coda, sorry, it is an incomplete dominance is the allelic interaction. What is the meaning of allelic interaction? Means pink color is produced interaction between the two allele. Pink color எப்படி produce ஆச்சு அப்படினா interaction between the two allele. ரெண்டு allele கடையில interaction நடந்தனால தான் pink color is produced. Okay, where is located? Located in the same locus. எங்க லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கு ஜீன் ஒரே இடத்துல பிரசன்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. That is called allelic interaction. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next one, in the F2 generation, the R1 and R2 are segregate and recombine together. R1 R2 are produced. Okay, the first one, in second generation, what is the meaning of second generation? Means F2 generation. The F2 generation, the R1 and R2 are segregate. First segregate agi, segregate and recombine together and recombine to produce and recombine to produce 1:2:1 red pink white ratio. Red pink and white. So what is the ratio? Red is here 1, pink 2, so white is 1. Do you understand? The F2 generation, what is the meaning of in the F2 generation? R1 R2, or what is the meaning of R1 R2? The gene. Okay, R1 R2 is not the gene. The genes are segregate. What is the meaning of segregate? First தனித்து பிரிஞ்சு, so they follow the mental law. Segregate and recombine to produce a color, 3 colors. What are the 3 colors? Red color, pink color and white color. Have you understood? What is the red color and pink color? So next one, first one, the R1 allele code for the enzyme of red color. The R1 allele are code for the enzyme of red color. The R1 allele are code for the enzyme. Enzyme is responsible for which color pigment? Red color pigment. R1 நாலே உங்க மைண்ட்ல என்ன வந்துறணும்? Red pigment. Okay, so next one, the R2 allele codes for the defective enzyme. Next one, R2 allele code for defective enzyme. Defective enzyme. Okay, first one, the R1 allele are code for the enzyme is responsible for the red pigment. Okay, so what is the red pigment? The first pigment, the red pigment. Next one, the R2 allele, normally red pigment or a gene arrangement R1 R1. So red white color pigment gene arrangement R2. Okay, the R1 allele code for the defective enzyme. What is the meaning of defective enzyme? Enna color represent பண்றாங்க? It's a white color. Okay, next an R1 R2 allele code for the genotypic ratio. It is a red color pigment due to the presence of pink color. Next one R1 R2 enzyme code for the pink color. It is a pink color. Which pigment? It is a pink color flower is produced. A red pigment. So to make the flower is which color? Pink color flower are produced. Okay, next one. The two R1 are needed for the red pigment. When red pigment varano appadina unakku enna venum appadina first one we want the color red pigment na two R1 are needed for the red pigment. Okay, producing red flower appadina the two R1 is a pure breeding homozygous condition. Okay, the R1 and the two R1 are needed for which color? Red pigment. Red pigment means red color flower. Okay, next one the two R2 are needed for the white color, white pigment. Okay, and R2 are needed for which color? White color pigment. Okay, do you understand? Next one the two next R1 R2 அப்படினா தான் which color? R1 R2 na pink color. Okay, it is the allelic interaction. What is the meaning of allelic interaction? Two allele, okay, the interaction of two allele between the same gene and same locus is called allelic interaction. Allelic interaction is which color produced? Pink color produced. Okay, have you understood the incomplete dominance? Okay, so what is the meaning of first intragenic interaction, sir? First we studied the experiment. One experiment the plant name Miraculous jalapa. எந்த plant வச்சு செஞ்சிருக்காங்க அப்படினா the plant ஓட நேம் Miraculous jalapa is a 4 o'clock plant. 4 o'clock plant என்ன என்றால் 4 மணிக்கு தான் அந்த செடி வந்து செய்யும் பூக்க ஆரம்பிக்கும். So it is called 4 o'clock plant. Okay, so we do the one experiment. First the R1 R2. First one the phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. So what is the meaning of one is the homozygous color. So next 2 is the heterozygous. Next one is the white color is the homozygous color. Okay, next genotypic ratio is the R1 indicate the which color? Red color. R1 R2 is indicate the pink color. Next R2 indicate the white color. White color is a pure breeding and R1 are also pure breeding. The first the two R1 are needed for the red pigment. Next the two R2 are needed for the white pigment. The R1 R2 is the intermediate color produced. Okay, because the allelic interaction. Have you understood the code? Incomplete dominance. So next one complete dominance. So what is the meaning of complete dominance? So next topic complete dominance. Next topic complete dominance. Complete dominance or the ratio 1:2:1. The same ratio. The monohybrid ratio already you know 1:2:1. The same ratio in complete dominance. So what is the meaning of complete dominance? Means both allele of a character are equally dominant. Both allele of a character are equally dominant. And express the character in F1 generation. Both of them express the character in F1 generation. It is very important. Which one is important? Both allele of character are equally dominant. Okay, another one the F1 generation equal express the character in the F1 generation also equally. Okay, the character are equally dominant. Another one express the in the both allele of a character are equally dominant. Both of them express their character in equally dominant. Both of them express their character. Both of them express the character equally dominant. Equally dominant. Both allele of a character are equally dominant. Both of them express a character equal ஆன dominate ஆகும். So it is called codominance. So what is it? Complete dominance and codominance. Sorry ma'am. Topic name codominance. Co அப்படினால இணைந்து. So dominant only express the dominant character. So what is the meaning of codominance? Both allele of a character are equally dominant and both of them express their character in F1 generation also equal and equally dominant. ரெண்டுமே டாமினன்ட்டா இருக்கும். Okay, this is called இதுக்கு பேர் என்ன codominance சொல்வாங்க. So example red and white flower of camellia. Example red and white flower of camellia. So next one inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin. The first one red and white flower of camellia. Plant oda name camellia. Okay, so next one inheritance of next one inheritance of color, inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin, inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin. It is one of the disease name sickle cell. What is the meaning of sickle cell na Kadirarwal Sogain சொல்வாங்க. It is one kind of disease. Okay, the disease oda name na sickle cell hemoglobin. The example, okay, the codominance or example red color, red and white color camellia. So next one inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin. The last one ABO blood group system in human beings. Last one ABO blood group system in human beings. Okay, so what is the meaning of ABO blood group? Already you know the type of ABO blood group in human. These are the best example of codominance. Okay, in human beings IA and IB, okay, allele of the I gene are codominant. In human beings the allele, the IA and IB, totally the I gene are codominant. I gene are codominant means both of them express the character in the F1 generation. That is called codominant. Okay, which follow the mental law of segregation. மேற்கனவே பார்த்தோம்ல அந்த mental law of segregation follow பண்ணி நடக்கும். Okay, next one the dominance is demonstrated in plant with the help of the electrostatic for protein function. Okay, protein substance வச்சு ஒரு electrostatic method பண்றாங்க. The plant ஓட நேம் என்னன்னா Gossypium crispum and Gossypium sturtium. Okay, the plant ஓட நேம் two plant Gossypium cristatum, another one Gossypium sturtium. The two plant oda name Gossypium cristatum and Gossypium sturtium. Okay, so what is the two plant? With the plant also indicated codominance, express the character in both of them, express the dominant character in F1 generation. Okay, the hybrid was tested for the seed protein. The hybrid was tested for seed protein. The technique name electrophoresis. Okay, so the plant oda name Gossypium crispum and Gossypium sturtium. Okay, the plant oda hybrid was tested for the seed protein. Hybrid is tested especially the seed protein check பண்றாங்க. The method electrophoresis. Both of the parent have different binding protein. அதோட seed protein பாத்தீங்கன்னா both of the parent have different binding. Both of the parent have different pattern. Both of the parent have different banding pattern. What is the meaning of banding pattern? That is sweet coat and the protein banding method. Okay, further protein. Okay, both of the parent is different from the banding pattern in protein type. Protein seed protein and the seed outer coat protein different irukku. But in hybrid is additive pattern for the parents was noticed. The hybrid show the parents both of them same, similar to the parent. அந்த parent ஓட பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா in hybrid இதுலயுமே என்ன புரோட்டீன் இருக்குன்னா additive pattern. what is the meaning of additive pattern னா அங்க எப்படி இருந்துச்சோ the same pattern followed that in hybrid generation. okay, அதோட F1 பிளான்ல எப்படி இருக்குன்னா next generationலயும் so additive pattern. what is the meaning of additive pattern னா was noticed the hybrid was noticed that the presence of both of the type pattern are resembles the parent pattern. அந்த parent pattern depend பண்ணியே இருக்குறதுக்கு பேர் தான் additive pattern. okay, so next one, the F1 heterozygous produce F2 progeny and phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. so what is the genotypic phenotypic ratio? 1:2:1. இத பேஸ் பண்ணியே இருந்திருக்கு. எது அதோட seed code. okay, in hybrid additive band protein. so what is the meaning of additive band protein na was tested in the hybrid experiment la பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா presence both the type of ரெண்டுமே both the type of protein are similar to the which one is similar to the parent protein. ரெண்டு புரோட்டீனுமே இதே மாதிரியே சிமிலர் பண்ணிருக்கு, parent மாதிரியே அப்படியே இருந்திருக்கு. that is called codominance. what is the meaning of codominance னால என்ன பார்த்தோம்? it is a codominance அப்படினாலே it is both of them express their character in F1 generation. அப்படினா the parent for example ரெண்டு parentல உள்ளதுமே அப்படியே அதோட ஹைபிரிட்லயே present ஆயிருக்கு, F1 generation present ஆயிருக்கு பேர் தான் additive pattern. so it is a normal ratio. what are the ratio? 1:2:1. the ratio follows the F1 phenotype F2 progeny, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same. so what are the phenotypic genotypic ratio means F1 1:2:1. okay, this is codominance. okay students, today what to learn today ma? First learn the topic intragenic interaction. What is the meaning of intragenic interaction? okay, so next one, what is the incomplete dominance? what are the best example of incomplete dominance in plant? Miraphilus jalapa, this is a 4 o'clock plant. what is the ratio? phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. they are followed the mental law of segregation. okay, so what is the phenotypic and monotypic ratio? 1:2:1. okay, crossed with the red color or white color plot, but we get the intermediate color. what is the intermediate color? pink color plant are produced. okay, so next one, next to that incomplete is a codominance. what is the meaning of codominance? is both of them express their character in the F1 generation. it is called codominance. what is the best example of codominance? red and white flower of camellia. ida red and white flower of camellia ach pandrathu. so next one, inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin is a next one, ab blood type system. the in human beings the IA normally I already it is immunoglobulin I. okay, IA and IB or the I gene is a codominant. the I gene is codominant in human beings. okay, so next one, plant name Crassipium cristatum and Gossypium statum. okay, this was a hybrid tested for the seed protein by the technique name electrophoresis, but both the parent are different in planting. but in F1 hybrid also additive but also additive, both of them followed the parent pattern. parent மாதிரியே similar ஆவே இருந்துச்சு. okay, the ratio 1:2:1. okay, do you understand the topic? okay, today homework, explain the incomplete dominance. explain the incomplete dominance. today home assignment, explain incomplete dominance with example. thank you students.